So much is still remaining, and with this exam coming up, I need to take a break. I need to relax. What should I do? Okay, so waterfall song. Alexa, play waterfall song. Alexa, stop. Please stop. That feels more like a plane landing on an airport. I need something else to relax. Oh God. Oh, I can try YouTube. Waterfall song. Ah, this is good.
Battery low, please charge.
Oh God, this is just the opposite of relaxing. Need to do something. Let's go to the whiteboard, which will have stairs running around it on which the water will flow. We'll have something which will act as an infinity pool below the cylinder. Then we'll have an extra plate which will hold the water which falls from the infinity pool. And this was approved by Awesomeness. A cylindrical container. Then we'll need a ceramic plate which will hold the cylindrical container. After that, a bigger plate which will hold the ceramic plate. We'll use some jingas to make some structures which will go between those ceramic. Adhesive for making quick fixes. We are going to use some silicone gel to make our structure waterproof. We are going to use the glue gun, some super glue, and some stones. The most important thing for this DIY will be the pump. So this one I ordered on Amazon. I have fixed a water pipe on it with electrical insulation tape. Step 1. So we are going to use this jinga to make a structure which will hold this cylindrical container on it. So we are going to attach these 3 jingas using the super glue. So we need 4 of the structures. We are going to take our motor, the ceramic plate, so now to put the pipe through the plate, I'm going to use some structure below the plate so that I can put the pipe. Just place the pump in the direction you want it to be. Then we will move on to the step of sticking the wooden pieces below the ceramic plate in such a way that we will house the motor in between those wooden pieces. Now we are going to take the bigger plate and we are just going to place the ceramic plate with all the wooden pieces attached to it onto that bigger plate. Just center it in the middle. And then to waterproof the structure, we are just going to add the silicone gel at the bottom of the pipe. So Jenga always comes in handy. Step 2. We are going to build some structures out of Jenga. We need something like this to make the steps which will go around the cylinder. So I'll show you how you can make this. So for this we need 3 pieces of Jenga. We are using super glue here. Fix these 2 pieces together. So the other piece goes perpendicular to the other 2 pieces. And then just let it dry. We are going to use approximately 9 of such pieces. Now moving on to creating the stair-like structure on our cylinder. Just take the reference of the previous attached piece and go on building on it. And just to make sure that the water doesn't leak, we are also going to add some silicone gel to the joints between Jengas. Now we are going to build one more structure using Jenga. This will go on the cylinder. I'm just using these pieces to hold the cylinder upright so that I can attach the wooden pieces at the bottom. Now we will place the cylinder onto the ceramic plate. 80% of your work is now almost done. Now the step of waterproofing the base, so that no water leaks out. Step 3. Now we are going to decorate our waterfall, so I'm going to use some stones. I'm just going to drop it in the ceramic plate and the plate below it. This will give it a character. I'm so relaxed. Hey, hi.
So the professor just said that the exams are going to be next week.
Okay.
But you didn't hear me? I said next week. Why aren't you freaked out?
Yeah, I heard you the first time, Jampu. I'll study for it. Still so relaxed.
My master is too relaxed, so I will take over.
Shh, Alexa.
Come close. Me and my master do other cool stuff too. So to know more about it, follow PawarFULL. Oh wait. And I almost forgot. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.